Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Right Talk sessions for financial freedom. And it is a privilege for me to take care of this because the best part of this is like I have not done for the 2 weeks when I was getting up in the morning. I felt that I have not done for the very long because we had an Alpha series and then we had talks about the Diwali. So I hope you all had a wonderful Diwali with your family and friends. And if not, you had a good long weekend, I can think so. So when I was just talking about the Diwali itself, I was just going and thinking back because I'm also from UP, so I normally have a good 5 days Diwali. And I was talking to my mom, and mom always says, "Okay, you do this much money and buy the good new clothes." And I was telling to my daughter, that's the only time before we used to have the new clothes and the birthdays. But nowadays, the concept of new clothes on Diwali or this doesn't matter much for our generation, the next generation, because they buy the clothes whenever they feel like. And maybe the when the maybe Flipkart or Amazon deals comes. So it's I think so depending on that more than the festivals. But is it right, wrong? No idea because people think I'm a very old timer thinking. But today that came in my mind, so I thought I will try to share few thoughts for me, which is coming on what is a financial freedom is all about. To me, it makes a lot of difference in when I talk about financial freedom. I was talking to my dad and their friends. They had a different thinking about the financial freedom, and I wanted to know from your own way what you think is a financial freedom to you. So I request if anybody can unmute and tell me what do you mean by financial freedom to you. Anybody like to volunteer and say, or you can write it on chat either ways. Any person like to share their own views on the financial freedom? So when nobody is trying to share, it means that all have been already got the financial freedom, or they are wanted somebody else to. So Anchit has written the power to do what we like to do in a life, and I fully agree with this. And that's what my belief is, because when I was talking to one of my friend very recently, we both are speak means we both know each other from 2001. We were together working in Wipro together, and of course she has quit from Wipro to Infosys. We were together in Infosys also, and then now she's quit. So we were just thinking about that time. What does it means for us financial freedom? And when I was speaking with her, and she said the same thing, being same batchmate kind of it, similar age. So she said, Rachna, I wanted to just work till 50 and do experience. So we have earned enough, we have gone across the globe enough, and we wanted to do experience. And that's another thought has been coming across that if I have money, so experience is also a very good part of the financial freedom. The second part for me is the basic things. This story came today early morning before I started at 9 o'clock. A person called me and said that my cousin, it's my mama's son, is just 24 years old and he is no more and I want you to help. And I said, what happened suddenly? He said, no, they are being dependent on him. He was working and suddenly, because of careless or something, he didn't let us know. He was staying in the PG, and then by the time he admitted, he was most of the things was organs was not working, and he declared dead. So I said, how I can help it? So he says, no, please let me know because the parents are fully dependent on him, and he didn't have any savings. Of course, he was so young, and neither he is having the any of the insurance kind of it, what we call a term cover or any insurance kind of. So that is the so today, even though I'm planning to have a financial freedom, my today thought is last 1 week is a so many instances happened with me, and I've been getting this call to make you more educate on at least you and your family members and your friends. Please pass it on this. If somebody has invented the wheel, don't reinvent. That's what we say. So, similarly, if somebody has gone through some difficulty, we expect others should also not go on through the same thing. So my financial freedom is talking about, of course, I'll take it more detailing how to take care of a risk management, how to take care of a lifestyle. But basic way of my financial freedom is let me do what I love to do, not thinking about money first. And second thing is, if something happens to me today, my all financial goals, especially with my kids' education or my spouse if dependent, that they are able to live the same lifestyle what we have been living. So these are the two concepts which I live it in financial freedom, and God grace, I can say that achieved long back. It's not that I'm a spendthrift, I'm a miser. I can say my kid says I'm a kanjus. But yes, I believe a minimalistic life. I am very happy with the simplest way. One of our customer had 8 SB account, and I said, "Why you had an 8? I last 20 years I have only one single SB account. So how you can manage?" So I said, I believe in a simple way of living, and that's the way. Even in I can say clothing, I never go cross more than 30. If I buy two new, I will give to somebody. So I believe that financial freedom is in a within a way of living. If you have your lifestyle way of living, derive that, make sure even something happens to me tomorrow or today, we don't know. We have seen so many instances happening in a young old, the person like a in a Bangalore, I remembered when the Puneet Rajkumar died, and somebody, I have not been reading nowadays newspaper for last 2 years. Somebody came and told me, you know that in Jaydeva there was a long queue. It just came in the news. I said, what? They said, no, because everybody went to do the heart checkup and all, because there are so many things that you can do the checkup for the heart that you will get heart attack or not. I said, oh, wow, I was not even aware. So that is the way people have been getting influenced by a lot of things around. But instead of getting an influence, have a simple way. What are your goals? How you can achieve? Think long term. It is not about money. Let me tell you. Financial freedom is in a behavior and your value system more than money. People I have seen a 5 CR salary still not attain the financial freedom. People who are getting a 30-40,000 rupees salary is also has monthly has got a financial freedom. So you have depends on how you derive the financial freedom. So for me, financial freedoms is a lot of things what I have been getting, how to eliminate debt, manage the money, plan, reduce expense, increase the cash flow. Cash flow is like how much money I'm getting and how much I'm spending. Please make sure never go beyond your means. That is the one thing I've been telling. And if you have any of the youngsters or any of the family members, please tell at least youngsters. I have noticed, and they come and explain me when, because my number is on my website, so I get a call quite a lot. It can be random calls where they explain me ki I have earning around 30,000, but my expense is 40. So how I can have a multiple cards and how I can rotate the cards billing, and how I can nowadays, I'm very surprised. There are so many new startups which give you salary in advance, something he was explaining me. I was not even aware of. So please don't do that. It is like a weak call, no? It's a 99 ka chakkar. So you will ever be always in a debt. So I am so scared sometimes that hopefully the Lehman Brother issue doesn't come in India the way our youngsters are going across taking a debt more. I was talking to one of the CXO of a startup and I said, what is your revenue model? So he says, don't worry, there now we have got enough funding. So my revenue model is not now. My revenue model is going to be when I am planning to give the loans to the youngsters and earn around 15%. And I was telling, is it you think it's good? But he said that's where they may make money. And sometimes we don't realize that small debts also takes a lot and lot, because on non-mortgage debts people are giving, whichever the startups or the companies are taking around 12 to 15% or much more. So freedom is in a mind. And whenever you have a freedom in a mind, I can tell you, you can take the exponential decision on your anything. I have also done this. I have told so many times when we were got married, we are having so good salaries, no kids. And that time they says, okay, if you have two houses, you can take a more tax benefits. We both took two houses, and then we got a kid. And that time I was not able to extend my maternity leave, and I still regret that I was gone to the US for a year, and I didn't spend that much time with my kid because I had a debt. I had an EMI if given a choice. And that's what made me to think that the day I will, in case that time I was even not even aware that I will have the second kid, but I told the day I will know that second kid I'm planning to have, I'll quit. And my boss always says that he's my neighbor also and very good friend. He said you were the only one person who gave the 9 month of KT, because the day I got to know that I'm having second kid, I gave the resignation. So freedom of taking a decision comes very high when you are financially free. And that's where it is in a mind game. You will have a better sleep. So I assume and I prefer from my webinar, even one person take a steps. I feel that my work for an education is done. So how to set a goal? So a lot of people says that now I don't know how to set a goal. So I always says the goal is not that something that I have to do such a great things and all. It's a simple things what our parents has done, and we need to do it. And to make that happen, it's always they call the SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Because we do day to day work on the same way. I have given Hajar time this explanation. If you have to go for a movie, how much time, money, and effort we do for the, I can say, planning, which movie to go, where to go, how often you will say whom to ask with, which friend will come where. Is it we wanted to go for the dinner time or lunch time? Who all are giving the best discounts? We at least minimum I can say you must have spent around half an hour on those, and then coordinating after that part of it. But for our long term goals, we are not even giving that. So for a 1 week entertainment, if I'm giving a half an hour plus uh, time for my one specific going for the movie or going together as a lunch out, how much time we should give, which we are talking about, I can say our age till 85 and taking care of kids' education. So this is a small video I'm running. So please let me know if you are able to hear it.
For building a house, it is essential to create a perfect blueprint for the same. Similarly, for building a wealth for you and your family requires you to build a financial blueprint, also known as financial plan. Here are the 5 steps of building successful financial plan. Planning for uncertainty. First step is to protect yourself from uncertainty by buying required insurance policies to ensure that any uncertainty do not eat up your savings. Build contingency corpus. Second step is to build contingency corpus up to 6 to 9 months of your monthly expenses. This will protect your long-term investments from the contingencies like loss of job or slowdown in business. Set financial goals. Third step is to set financial goals and find out when and how much money would you require to achieve these financial goals. Create portfolio. Fourth step is to select right asset class and product to invest and to achieve your financial goals based on the time horizon and your risk appetite. Portfolio review. Fifth step is to review your portfolio periodically and do the necessary adjustments into it based on the remaining time period to achieve each goal. To create a financial plan and to review it periodically, always take the help of your financial advisor. Mutual fund investment.
So this is the another part I always says. Most of us have done the investments, most likely our parents or friends and family, or nowadays I can say Google must have told, or we must have got from social media. So nowadays people started teasing us that okay, you are a Google doctor or not a Google doctor. So because most of us, if we have anything, cough, cold, fever or something, if even the doctor has given the medicines, we'll go and find the, what is the side effects, what is this happening, and other things, details like that. I always believe, even I go to the doctor and people, at least even including Anil, won't like it. He will, that person will give the prescription, and I just follow the prescription that, okay, you have to eat morning, evening, night, you have to do before, after lunch, do that. He said, do you know what this medicine is? I said, why I should know? I have gone to the professional whom I trust and I better follow that. Similarly, the financial planning is, please, whoever you feel confident, whom you trust with, go and make a plan. That person is actually making a second opinion for you, that is it as per your goals, it is okay or not. And that person is, I'm not saying that he's having a mastermind or his Einstein, but he has been or she has been doing for many people. On an average, I also do at least 10 a week. So 10 a week, making a plan is not an issue, but making understand each people. And if they have gone through the similar issues, we make sure the other person don't do that. So this reminds me, I had another customer calling me and saying that, Rachna, because I wanted to have another real estate, because this is my ancestral property and we are four brother and mother, and we wanted to, my three brothers wanted to actually sell it off, and me and my mother doesn't wanted to sell off, and this is being in a prime property in Bangalore, in a place called Malleshwaram, and it is quite a huge 6 to 7 crores. So what I can do it? So I said, I don't know, because if you're staying and you don't have a money to pay your brothers. So he said, okay, I'll manage and all the stuff. I'll sell all the assets and then I'll try to do. So because my mother is staying with me and I am there, so I have to just give the, I'll divide it by 5 shares and I have to give only 3 shares. So I told him the same thing. So I said, it is nice, but you have to make sure one thing, because I have already facing another problem in another customer. The mother share actually can be asked after the mother's death by the other three brothers also, because you're not paying now. He says, Dachna, I have never thought of this. So it is nice that you have explained me. So I better take care and maybe ask mother to write a will or whatever. So these are the points when you go and ask a financial planner or a advisor. That person will try to give, because that person has learned from others also. So whenever you are doing a financial planning, making sure three things very, very important, which is what I have shown in a video also, which is just a 1.5 minute. How to take care of a risk management. Risk is only two things. One is a health and one is our life. So if you have to take, because that's the most important part, our health and our life, don't even hesitate about that. Take the biggest premium which is eligible. I assume minimum I expect somebody to take care of at least 10 lakhs of family floater for the medical. And if depending on your goals and your liabilities, dependent and the debt, take that much of term cover. The beauty of term cover means that premium doesn't change till you're 75. And if you take the term cover on an earlier basis, you will be having a much, much more cheaper on the term cover. So please do take care. I think so that already a lot of insurance company have started saying that from January or maybe the next month they are planning to increase the mortality rates. So what is term cover? Term cover is as simple as your car insurance. What you do for a car insurance? Your car is maybe 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs car, and we pay the insurance of maybe I pay 8 lakhs car is around 8 or 9,000 bucks. Anil is around 34,000 rupees insurance. I always believe that car is just 20 lakhs, we are paying 34,000 rupees. And if something happens to the car, you can buy another car. But life is much, much more important because you are priceless. Do we spend that much 34,000 on ourselves? Most of them, when I ask this question, they say no. So please do, you are priceless. Make sure at least give that much equivalent premium of your car to your own priceless life, and that will take care of your risk management. Contingency plan is also very important. Not only lost the job, it may be, as many of you may know, I'm a part of a BNI. There's a group where people give a referrals to help others. So I went last today is Saturday. I went on Thursday, I think so, to meet one of our people to how we can help because he's winding up the business. And I was asking what happened exactly. So he says that my business didn't work for the last 2 years because of COVID, and the studio rent itself is 2 lakhs. So I've been borrowing and borrowing and borrowing, and I want somebody to take care of the business so I can at least reduce my loan. And I didn't have money to pay my kids' fees. And when he was telling, I was realizing two things. First of all, one, I was realizing, thank God, we never realize at how blessed we are. Second is, the person didn't plan well in advance. We can have this contingency anytime coming. So it's not only the salaried people or a business people, it can come anytime. So we must plan for our 6 to 9 months how to make sure that if these kind of contingency comes, how we can take a basic things taking care of at least kids' education and household income. Third based is goal based, which is very, very important, where we are taking care of our retirements, we are taking care of kids' education. If you wanted to plan the assets like buying the house, villa, car, vacations, and other things. These are the approaches which I can say you last few years we have been doing. Things have changed, our lifestyles has changed. Nowadays, I can say the trip and vacation comes much, much earlier than even the any of the house and others, because a lot of people say, Rachna, I don't know when I'm old or when I have money. So I used to think that vacation is, I'm talking about vacation, which is a bigger vacations, which require your 3 to 4 lakhs plus going maybe a bigger Europe or Australia or US and other places with family for 5 and 10 days plus. Lot of time, these are, I feel it is like a luxury. And sooner or later, I have been seeing that luxury is becoming like a mandatory kind of it. They said, no, we can make sure retirement can postpone this money, but we should go for vacation because we don't know that time when we are older, when we have our money, we have that much of energy or not. And this is the another trend change quite a lot. Similar trend has changed in education quite, that previously people used to go for post graduation abroad for the kids education. Now, lot many people are being sending the kids for undergrad. And I can say you undergrad is almost like a 1.5 to 2 crores. And that's another trend I have seen people doing that. So these kind of trends which is changing is becoming quite a lot people to plan in advance, otherwise it will be difficult, because when you're expecting kids to go abroad, when you're have a currency variation also, you have to take care of a bigger value. And I was teasing somebody, if the people have 2 kids means 4 crore goes, and a salary people giving a 4 crore is very tough. So but this is becoming like a more of a peer pressure. Last month somebody came and told me, Rachna, I wanted 2 crores. You make sure that we have a 2 crores for my kids' education. Even it's impacting retirement, I'll manage, but not this. So I said, why? So they says, no, 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 my neighbor's kids has gone. So my kids started saying that we also wanted to go. So I'm very surprised. Sometimes we also need to educate our kids. So sometimes it's not that what is a peer pressure does. What you like to do, and make sure that you do it, and that is the best for you and best for the cash flow for the parents. I can say sometimes it's a both the ways, because I have met my neighbor itself, and she told, I my kid has spoiled 2 crores. I said, why? He went first to the UK for that course, and 1 year he studied. He said he didn't like it. Then he went to the US. US he studied for 1 year, and that also didn't like it. And then he's come back to India and planning to do some work in NGO. I said, great. But it, because when I spoke with the son, he said, anyway, I was not feeling happy with those scores, and I know my parents have the money, so it's okay. So it is a vice versa also goes, depending on how we make sure that kids are focused what they want and they get it across. So we should have a wealth creation. That always I feel very happy. Even somebody comes to me when they are young at starting an SIP for 5K and 10K. The feeling happy is more than if I close even 2 crore or 10 crore also. Because I always tell that if your habit is there to start creating in a youngster, you have the power of compounding, and more than anything, your habit will take something. And I always feel very proud to inform my youngest person. He's been 28, if I'm not wrong, and he started with an SIP, and his portfolio has gone more than 2 CR. And I keep telling Anil, I just amazed that how disciplined this person is and investing at the age of 28 so much. And he's just a salaried person. It's not a business that he's getting so much or his parents have been earning so much. But I always believe the habit and long-term view will make you to grow and create wealth than anything else. That's what my learning is. So wealth management, and then last but not the least is the preservation. So, what are the goals mostly all of us have? As I've been speaking, always it's a retirement fund because none of us are going to get a pension, buying of a car or a house, assets, child's education, and marriage. Very few people give nowadays priority of a marriage because they think they will be taking care themselves. Vacation is the another part of it. So, till now, I was talking about the financial part, how to take care of our financial goals, set aside, make sure that you plan for that and achieve it. But for my thought is to do that, I think so. We have to make sure what is in our behavior and things we have to change. So, first, we have already done the set of goals. So, what is the set of goals we can try to achieve through the mutual funds? So, a lot of time people says you have not even tell what is mutual funds. And I always believe sometimes start small and think. So, like our parents must have done RD kind of a concept. So, similarly, you can start with a mutual fund SIP, which is a bigger, better option to give you the better returns. So, let me give you a small video on same.
To measure the velocity of a rocket entering the space, one should know what rocket science is, right? वैसे ही, before investing in mutual funds, one should know what a mutual fund is. And believe me, it's not rocket science. मैं तो 7 साल की उम्र में ही समझ गया था. उस चॉकलेट बॉक्स खरीदने के लिए मेरे पास पूरे पैसे नहीं थे, लेकिन मेरे पास एक आइडिया था. तो मैंने अपने एक फ्रेंड को बुलाया और कुछ पैसे जोड़े. बट इवन देन फिर मैंने एक और फ्रेंड को बुलाया और कुछ और पैसे जोड़े. और फिर द शॉपकीपर टोल्ड अस टू डिवाइड द चॉकलेट्स proportionately. 1 coin, 1 chocolate. 2 coins, 2 chocolates. 3 coins, 3 chocolates. And that is the concept of mutual funds. Mutual funds has a large number of investors with one common investment objective. This money is then invested in bonds, equities, and other securities. The income that is generated is then distributed proportionately amongst all the investors. इसीलिए तो कहते हैं mutual funds सही है.
So, why mutual fund is the easier way, as they have told it is. You can start with 500 and 1,000 bucks, and you have a liquidity. You can redeem anytime. It's regulated by SEBI. You can diversify wherever you want. Fund manager takes care of that and have a transparency. What is the NAV of that day and what is the number of units? So it's an easier way to start till you create a good wealth and then go forward. So if it is not a mutual fund, what are the different things comes in people's mind? Option of, like previously people say, okay, I wanted to have a physical asset class. So physically, where you can touch and feel, you can have a real estate, you can have gold, you can have a commodities. Then we talks about a financial asset class. Previously, people used to have lot of insurance, LIC, PF, PPF, NSCs, post office schemes, and now people normally do stocks, mutual fund, equity. Risk level. So risk level is, which normally we call a low, medium, and high. Normally people get confused between low and no. So there is nothing called no. No is, I can say, 99% can go for the government bonds. But only 2 times have happened that government bonds also have the haircut in other countries. But it's otherwise, it is the very safest of all. Lot of people is not even aware that FDs are also have a risk. So one of my customer again has called me and said, Rachna, she's a very influential person by designation also. So she says, Rachna, I have lost around 20 lakhs. I said, what happened? No, I have done it in a community bank and that bank is closed. Then I said, what, you got 5 lakhs rupees at least? So she says, no, I didn't get even 5 lakhs. I said, why? Because community bank has not even done the insurance with an RBI. So I said, what happened? So she says, no, some of my people, because we always believe that the community bank is good because I know the trustees and everybody else. And they told me they will give 12% returns. So I was explaining her, I said, you yourself knows very well, you are well aware of. Bank is having only two works. One is lending and deposit. If somebody is giving you 12% returns, it means that the person is lending more than 16%. If somebody is lending at 16%, how much risk that person will have it? And sometimes that person may have an intent to give back the money, but now money is only not coming. How he can or she can give to you? So most of the people I have seen, they have lost sometime money, even in FDs, just because the greed has taken care. And this is a typical example I want you all to please learn, understand, and say to the people whom you know. I got a call on Saturday night. I had a call very long because it was a Canada time zone. And that person is old as 65. He doesn't have any alternative income, no family members. One of the far off cousins are helping because he sold his property, and that is around 40 lakhs. And he has to, because of that, he has to do some REC bond for some amount. He needs around 25,000 rupees. So I was explaining him how to take a guaranteed product or low risk product to make sure that you get a regular income. And he told me, no, Rachna, I don't want all those things. There is a person in Canada has promised me to give me 5% per month, indirectly 60% return a year. And I was telling, see, I have many more examples on those. If somebody is giving you 60% returns, and I'm assuming 10% he will take fees or whatever profit of their own, then that person should not be next to you and me. It will be next to the, I was telling that Ambani also. So you have to understand something. He said, no, it is very clear and they will do it. So I said, I'll try my best. Rest decision is yours. Because the same thing I have done it for one of the another customer. He came from US, had a good amount, and he says, no, I know this person very well. Person is giving me 4% returns. And I said, sometimes don't go to the greed. And that person has enough money, doesn't need to do it. But that greed has taken, I always have that feeling, is it because I am doing a realistic, people don't do it? Then I always says, let me do what is right and let people learn from their mistakes. And I said, okay, you can have a tea with me and go. And he went off and he came, I think so last year itself, he became my customer now. And he said, Rachna, I lost 40 lakhs. He gave me only 3 months and then I didn't have it. So sometimes don't go with the greed. The greed actually will take you your principal off also. You have to understand that most of the Nifty itself, 20 years, 30 years, has giving an XIRR of 15% or 16% now maybe. So it was, if I'm not wrong, it's 14.8. So make sure if you are having a large cap funds, it will be 14 to 15. If it is small cap, it may give 18 to 19. Particular fund may have given 100, 200. But those funds are only for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, not for a long term. So you have to understand when you are talking about risk and returns. Very, very important. This again question is keep coming to me. Yesterday again it came, and my son itself is a part of it. So there is so much thesis is going on. The number of user in the cryptocurrencies are much higher than the mutual fund in last 30 years. Okay. And when we were talking about, because in this, there is, because it's a foreign portals, they don't have even minimum 18 years. So my son is 14 years old and he came, I think so last month sometime, and says, we have a pocket money of 5K. Which is left over in a year, we have given 15K to him. So he can buy whatever he wants. So good thing is he's done the charity of 5K his purchase, and 5K was left. So he said, anyway, December is coming, so let me do. So my friend has told to him that his friend has told to him that if you do it in cryptocurrency, in 10 days you will make it double the money. And he was explaining me, and as usual, as per him, he thinks that we don't know anything. So he says, you don't know what is crypto, what is Bitcoin, and all, because my friend has told it will become double in 10 days. I said, in my mind, I told to Anil the same thing. Let him do it because he's just planning to do 2K to learn for a lifetime. I hope he learns from the lifetime. He gave a 2K, and then I asked next week, what happened to that? He says, no, Mama, what had they told? It was a scam, and then money has gone. Then I said, please try to learn sometime that people like this fly by a night is meaning. And if somebody is taking a million billion people of 2,000 rupees, you cannot go to the police or a case or something. They may take a much more money than what it is. And people are being taking these kind of people who want to make a quick money and just run by. So whenever these are very high risk, try to understand a similar one. Are you in the game for that risk or not? If not, please don't go for it. Go for fundamental long term. It will give you the good returns in a long term. So why long term? Because it is having a capital appreciation. It takes care of your equity. You can have liquidity. It's a tax benefit because long term is just a 10% returns. So make sure whenever you have a goals which is long term, go for an equity driven. And we believe that this decade is going to be doing very good for an equity in India. Go for it. The returns, normally the difference is average, I'm saying, if it is saving is 3.5 and fixed deposits around 6.5. Mutual fund at around 12% average and stock at 15 for 10 years perspective. The 10,000, if you have invested 10 years back, the value will be around 14,000 in SB account, 18,000 approximately in fixed deposit. Mutual fund is 31 and a stock market is 40. So depending on, because in the stock market in 3 years, he must be negative also, but it is 10 years thinks it has become big. So try to understand what are your goals, how goals are short-term, long-term, mid-term, then you try to invest for. Any investments, whoever comes and asks me if it is a 5,000 or 5 crore, my question is the same to ask. What is the goals you are linked to this? What are the short, medium, and long-term goals? What is the horizons you are looking and what risk you can do? So risk is very important. So if somebody wants to know your risk, you can try to understand if that money becomes zero, is impacting your lifestyle or anything or not? If yes, means it is very important for you. So you have to understand how you can manage those risks. Risk managing is, I can say, easier when it is a longer term. You do the averaging, you take care of STPs, you make sure you have alternative incomes to make sure that will be, because it's a logical risk. Because if the market is down, you can still wait and do it across. And that's the way we have to manage all three parts of it. So there's a small lesson from cricket, how to invest for short, medium, and long term.
In a multilingual country like India, cricket is a common language 1.3 billion people speak. But do you know, this most revered sport in India has many similarities with investments. Let us have a look. Can you imagine a team of only batsmen? Never, right? We need a perfect blend of batsmen, bowlers and fielders to win the match. Similarly, to succeed in the game of investment, diversification is the only winning strategy. Just like a balanced team, we need a balanced portfolio to give us better returns. We can't hit the boundary on every delivery. Singles are just as important as boundaries. Similarly, we should invest in debt and equity. Equity provides us high returns when the market is good, and debt provides us consistent returns when the market is tight. Interesting, isn't it? Based on time, there are 3 different formats of cricket, and we select players based on their track record for each format. Similarly, we have different investment horizons, whether short or long term. We must select funds according to our goals only. Lastly, just like a captain is necessary to lead the team, similarly, we should have a professional to lead and guide us throughout the game to ensure the suitability of products we buy. So, we hope you will play this game of investment pretty well now and win the World Cup of your dreams. For more information, kindly contact. Mutual fund investments are
So this is what we were talking about, how to do asset allocation with a time and a risk, and how to do debt equity balance. This is what I was trying to say. Most of us, we not having a liquid assets. If you see, the mutual fund and the share is only 3% as on today overall level. So I'll just take it as a smaller calculation for you. And this is, I keep saying it's very easy to make sure that how power of compounding works. Because if someone's age is just 20 or 25, if they're doing 15,000 at the till age of 60, how much money they will be able to get. So most of the time, they'll be able to get the 10 crores so easily, where the power of compounding works very good. So I'll just take you the simple Excel and let me know if you're able to see the Excel. Can you see the Excel?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the have the all the calculator. I will ask Nidisha to send it across along with the video. So it's a SIP calculator. If I do, I'm just giving a 5,000 rupees for let us say 10 years at the rate of 15. So you actually paid 6 lakhs and you're getting 13 and a half. So this is the what I was trying to say. The power of compounding works so well if you go for a 15 years. The 9 lakhs is becoming 33 lakhs, so which is 3.71. So if you keep increasing this tenure, you will realize your multiple times how much it is going. And that's where I keep saying that amount is not so important. It is the continuation of so long it is important. So we always say the market is high. The market is high till date, but we don't know. We are comparing market with what? We are always comparing with the behind. When you go forward, you will say, okay, why you didn't tell me now? Because comparison is always with the past, but we don't know the future. So if you see the trends, it's always been growing. So these are the tables where I'm saying if you do for 5 years, 10 years, 20, 25, I have been doing the investment from the first day of my salary till date. And I always make sure that I do above 25%, at least 25% of your net salary should go for investment first, and then you take care of it. The best part for me is a delay cost, because most of the customer, their own finance, it goes as a back end. And then when it comes, they say, Rachna, why you didn't force me to do it fast, because I forgot and all. So sometimes whenever I do the at least follow up, I always think it's good for them, not for me. I may be getting a 1% of commission or a brokerage, but you are getting 99. So you have to understand that part of it. It is actually good for you, not for another person, to make sure that you invest how much it is. So if somebody is supposed to do 5,000 or 10,000 rupees and for a 10 years, and he started after 5 years. So if you see that the cost of delay is 14 lakhs. That is very important. We never realize the cost of delay is much, much bigger than actually your investments are. So that's all from my side. I'm happy to take any queries and questions. Yes, Madhusudan, you can change the 10% depending on the what type of the portfolio you have, the balance, equity and all. You can change the percentage anytime. So when I'm asking them to send the calculator, you can play around. Yes,
Ma'am, there's a question Umesh wants to ask.
Yes, Umesh, please let me know.
Yeah, hi Rachna. As announced yesterday, how is this new RBI, participation for small investors will work?
Yeah, so I was reading today only that things that RBI can have the bonds. As of today, it's a very low. We don't know much detail about the interest, But last time also we have felt that RBI bonds, there are two types. One is a taxable and tax-free. So taxable as of today, it's normally coming around 5.8. It's a good things which have a no risk.
Okay, okay. So
So
instead of
normally
having
people
it
have a
in,
low risk. This is no risk.
okay, so instead of having it in a FD, even
Makes
FD,
sense.
as you said, yeah, this makes more
200%.
sense.
200% without fail.
Yeah, thanks.
Anything else?
Sorry, can you please reiterate what those bonds are about?
Those are the RBI bonds they are going to give it. So it came yesterday. The PM has announced that RBI can directly give it the bonds. And those bonds will be like a no risk kind of bond. It's a government bonds. Normally it's a PSU bonds, but this is coming from RBI for a retail investors. So it's yet to come. Yesterday only the announcement has come. We will send it across. So maybe the next webinar, or I will send the mailers on those part of it.
That's it, ma'am. There's no other question.
So have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy yourself and spread happiness. Thank you for joining. The next session we will be having on a tax planning and how to increase, because that's time now. People will start doing the tax planning, because December and January you have to start giving the proofs what you must have done it. Thank you.